Audio Jungle.
Come away with me, come, let's go away to be on a new adventure for two. We can fly across the ocean or take a train together, I don't care as long as it's beside you. Take a road trip in a car, we'll get lost and go too far, while on the beaches we will watch the sunrise. And if we've done there's all to do, I'll just sit and stare into your loving face, graced with those beautiful eyes. I have